started this business because I love property and helping people. And that is exactly what Ernest Living is about. It's not just about the sales process, but also showing clients how to achieve the best financial results through our individual consultation. Working in my father's business from an early age sculptured my work ethic. He taught me the fundamentals of how to treat people with sincerity and offer them the highest level of care and attention to fulfil their needs. After working in the construction industry for a number of years, I started a business of my own. Working very hard, I built a prominent estate agency here on the Gold Coast with over 170 properties under management. But after some time, I felt like something was missing. So I sold the business and put my energy into my own residential projects. After a handful of builds and renovations, I realised it was something that I was good at. It not only brought me fulfilment, but also passion. And it was at that point I decided I wanted to share it with my clients. I missed working closely with people, so I started to think about how I could incorporate my passion for building and design with my experience in selling real estate. I created a specialised agency that included sales and also offered everything from consultation, design and renovation, to project management, styling and marketing. That is how Ernest Living started. To assist with the design process, I'm fortunate to have my wife Arna's graphic and interior design expertise. This allows us to give our clients a personal, one-on-one service that's second to none. I understand what people need when it comes time to selling their home, and being able to help them through the entire process has made me realise what a positive impact I can have on their lives.